Hi there everyone, LifeDIYJosie here. Welcome back to my channel. Today is Thrifty Thursday when I do a throwback of one low budget idea every Thursday. I'm going to be using this 4x6 frame that I got at Dollar Tree. This is actually already pre-finished with this color and even has a gold edging. I love it a lot. It's deep, unlike the other picture frames. So what I've done is I've just removed the insert as well as the glass, and I replaced the backing, and I'm leaving this metal bracket here or fastener in order to keep it in place. I'm going to be creating a ring and earrings organizer. This frame is perfect because it is deep, and I'm going to be using my daughter's old foam rollers, and they do sell also foam rollers at Dollar Tree. So here I'm just marking each side to make sure that I cut the proper size of my foam rollers. And I'm just going to be using my ruler here, and I think this is close to 3.5. It's not quite 3.5, so don't take my word for it. Just use your ruler for a more accurate measurement. Then I'm marking on the foam roller where I'm going to be making the cut with the exact measurement. But before I cut, there is a wire inside the foam roller to make it twist. So I cut the button on one end, and on the opposite end, I pull it out like so. So I'm doing that on all foam rollers that I'm going to be using. Here I'm just cutting it with a box cutter, and then I use the scissors in the end for each one. And I have 4 purple and 4 turquoise or teal because I want the kind of color combination to give it more depth, and it'll be more fun rather than having just one color. So I'm applying hot glue each time before I attach the roller. And take note, I am not applying the hot glue to the foam, but to the backing of the picture frame. This way, I do not burn the foam because it might melt also, because hot glue is hot and it could melt things. And it's a cleaner application also, and I could avoid burning myself as well. So you could see here, I waited too long, so I needed to add more hot glue. So I am just alternating the colors. Since the foam rollers from Dollar Tree may not be as smooth as this, you may want to cover them with fabric so that they will look much prettier. Actually, you can use them as is, but since my daughter's old rollers that she is no longer using really look so smooth compared to the ones they sell at Dollar Tree, you may want to cover your Dollar Tree rollers with fabric. Remove any excess glue and start organizing the rings as well as earrings. And if only they sell the big ones, the big frames at Dollar Tree, you could probably make one that would be big enough to hold also strands of necklaces. I love how this turned out, and you can fold the back and put it inside your drawer or maybe on top of your desk or vanity like so, or use the back stand and keep it upright. And that's how actually my daughter is using it currently. Here are some of her earrings. So I'm placing them there too. And you can create more than one, and you can actually use this as a gift for someone who likes rings and earrings or jewelry in general. I love it. And I love the color. It's really pretty. So I hope you enjoyed this video, everyone, and I'll see you again next week for another Thrifty Thursday. Bye!